Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. Today's topic, the new chapter, classification and tabulation. First we should know introduction. In the previous chapter, we already discussed about the different methods of collection of data. So when we are collecting a data, that collected data we are not easy to understand because that information is a raw material or raw data. That data we can't understanding easily. That is the intention we have to do classification and tabulation. Now we should know about the what is the meaning of classification. Classification means the process of arranging the data into sequence and group according to their common characteristics or separating them to different but related part. Classification of data means arranging the same related or similar characteristics in making a group. So according to the common factors or according to the common characteristics, we are making a group. That is called as a classification, or dividing the data based on the similarity or based on the common factors or based on the common characteristics. That is the concept of classification of data. So classification means dividing or arranging the data according to their common characteristics or common sequences or common factors. So making a group, similarity of products or similarity of characteristics. So that is the concept of classification. Next, tabulation. Tabulation means after the classification, after the dividing, the data will be representing in the form of table. What we are organizing data, what we are classification of data, what we are systematically arranging data, the data will be representing in the form of tables. That is the concept of tabulation. Tabulation means arranging or classifying the data in the form of tables. That is the meaning of tabulation. So before classification, we have to collecting the data. After the collecting the data, we have to classification of data based on the common factors. After the classification, we have to do a tabulation. The data will be representation in the form of tables. That is the concept of tabulation. So once again we will discuss about the one of the author is explaining the classification of data. So according to Professor Horace Sechrist, classification is the process of arranging the data into sequences and groups according to their common characteristics or separating them into different but related parts. Means similar products or similar characteristics, we are making one group. That is the meaning of classification. Next, we should know about the objectives. What are the objectives are there in classification? The main objective of classification is, first point is to reduce the size of the data. So the main objective of classification is reducing the data. Classification is reducing the vast and volume data into a handy size. So volume means data means it's a huge data. Huge data should be convertible into a handy size. Handy size means small size. So huge data will be convertible into a small size of data. That is the main objective of classification. So unnecessary data will be dividing or eliminating. Necessary data will be useful and representing in the form of table. That is the main objective of classification. Next objective of classification is to bring the similarities together. Classification, the main objective is simplifies the data by arranging similarities and dissimilarities containing the data. So classification is bringing the similarities. Similarities means common characteristics, common factors or common qualities. So it's combined together and making a group. So for the purpose of easy to identification, for the purpose of easy to understand, that is the main objective of classification, to bringing the similarities together. Similarities means common categories or common factors or common characteristics. Next objective is, the classification is next objective to facilitate comparison. When we are doing the similarities, when we are doing the based on the factors, we are making a group that is useful to comparison. Classification helps to comparison of data one year to the another year, or one product to the another product, one business character to the another business. So it's easy to comparison because of we are making a groups based on the common factor. The common factors is very used to comparison. So that is also one of the objective of statistics in classification. Next objective of classification is to give importance to significant feature of the data. Significance feature of the data means here the unnecessary and irrelevant details in the data are eliminated at the time of classification and make the data more precise and compact. It means when we are classifying the data, on that time unnecessary data or unusefulness data or irrelevant data will be eliminated or removed. Necessary data we are classifying, after the classifying we are representation in the form of table. That is the significance feature of the data. So it's giving importance for only necessary data and useful information of data. That is also one of the objective. That useful information is very useful to the business persons, in the point of view students, in the point of view business, in the point of view easy to understand by any other persons. Next objective and last objective is to enable further statistical analysis. Classification, the main objective is enables to statistical analysis. Further statistical analysis, it helps to the future analysis and taking a proper decision and giving a meaningful conclusion. So when we are classifying the data or dividing the data or arranging the data based on the similarities, that is useful to statistical analysis. Based on the analysis, we can give a proper conclusion, we can take a proper decision. That is also one of the main objective of classification. Let us know about the what are the points we are covered. First one objective is to reduce the size of the data. Second one is to bring the similarities together. Third one is to facilitate comparison. Fourth one is to give importance to significant feature of the data. And fifth one is to enable further statistical analysis. These are the main objectives of classification. Okay students, next concept we will discussing about types of collection or types of classification. So classification means arranging the data based on the similarities or based on the common factors or based on the common characteristics, making a groups, right? So what are the types are there in classification? Let us know about that. Generally, classification of data is made on the following basis. There are 4 types of classification of data. Let us know about the one by one. First one is chronological classification. Second one is geographical classification. Third one is qualitative classification. And fourth one is quantitative classification. These are the 4 types of classifications are there. So in the next video we will discussing the explanation of the types of classification. Okay students, once again I will repeat what are the topics we are covered. Classification and tabulation. Classification means arranging the statistical data or according to the common characteristics will be making a groups. Once again I will repeat, classification is a process of data will be arranging according to their common characteristics or separating them into a different but related parts. That is the meaning of classification of data. Tabulation means after the classification of data, the data will be representing in the form of tables by using a rows and columns. That is the meaning of tabulation. So before the classification we have to do the collection of data. After the collection we have to classifying the data. After the classification we have to tabulation. That is the process. We have to follow this step by step. Next we already discussed objectives. So next we are discussed about types of classification. There are 4 types of classification. Okay students, in the next class we will deep explanation about the types of classification of data. Thank you to all. Like, share and subscribe.